pasta dish for dinner tonight. It's actually one I was hoping to make for a long time, and I finally went to the grocery store and got some fresh mozzarella, so I can make it now. So basically I have 2 chicken breasts that they were a little thick, so I butterflied them. And we are going to marinate them with some olive oil and some seasonings. I don't have a lot of fresh herbs, and so I'm just going to use the organic Tuscan blend that we have at Fustini's with some olive oil. I'm going to marinate that for a couple hours. Then we're going to saute the chicken in an oven-proof pan, and then we'll finish it in the oven with some with the mozzarella on it. And then meanwhile, we're going to use some of these cherry tomatoes and some onion and make like a bruschetta topping for it. Finish it with some of the basil olive oil and of course the Reserva balsamic. So I'm heating up my pan, and we're going to drizzle a little olive oil in there. And then we've got our marinated chicken breasts. And I'm going to start with the serve side down. Those are going to get the nice brown crust on them. So we're going to saute those for about 3 minutes on each side till they're brown, and then we're going to put some cheese and topping on it and put it. All right, now that our chicken has had a nice brown saute on them, I'm going to add some fresh mozzarella to it. And then I'm going to add a little bit of the tomato topping, which is onion, tomatoes, basil, fresh basil, and a little basil olive oil with some salt and pepper in it. And then I'm going to drizzle a little bit of our Reserva on top. And then this is going to go in the oven for about 15 minutes so the chicken finishes. Well, this is the perfect time to cook my pasta. Alright, so it's been 20 minutes and our chicken is all done. My pasta is also done cooking, and it's just cooling a little bit. So how we're going to plate this is we'll put some pasta in here, and then we'll slice up some chicken on the side, and then we'll top it with some more of our bruschetta sauce, and then a little bit of Parmesan cheese, maybe a little more basil and Reserva on top, and garnish with a squirt of lemon and some more fresh basil.